16 guys, ngayon lang tayo umabot. Ngayon lang tayo dumating. Ito na inaabutan natin. Region 6 versus Region 11. Region 6 defending champion pala kang pambansa. Ito ay quarter final match between Region 6 and Region 11, Davao Eagle. Back to attack. Distracted yung number 7 kaya parang nawala siya sa focus. Kaya sana yan. 2017 in favor of Region 6. Serving Davao Eagles. Nice float serve. Oh, wala attack. Hindi umaabot yung blocker guys. Hindi kaabot. Hindi abot, tatangkad eh. Tatangkad di abot. Tatangkad nung ano na Region 6. Service by number 4 of Region 6. Good serve, nice reception. Oh, good pancake, nice pancake, nice pancake. Nice save. Opposite attack. Oh, too strong. Outside. 21-18. Yung set number 2 na po ito at yung set number 1 ay nakuha na Region 6. Serving Davao Eagles. Oh. Check ball.
22 serving 18.
Oh, pinasok na ng coach ng Western Visayas Region 6 yung kanilang service specialist. Service specialist ito guys. Now serving for Region 6. 22-18. Thought serve. Nice. Oh. 23-18. Last 2. Time out muna yung Region 11. Back to the ball game. Service by Region 6. Number 16. 23-18 guys. Last 2 points ang Region 6. Service specialist yan. Bang. Nice defense. Ooh. Check ball. Match point. Region 6. Match point na. 24-18. Match point na. Service by number 16. Look serve. Wow. Wow. Game over. Congratulations. Region 6.